I just have a bunch of like change in here and it looks like a lot of money like from a distance, but it's actually all ones. Here's a lucky penny. I'm Lisette and I'm gonna spill it. I decided to bring in this bag because this is the first bag that I ever bought for myself. I love it. I got it for my birthday in 2016. I got myself my own birthday gift. It's really simple, but it just gets the job done. Usually I just throw everything in, but sometimes I like to clean it just so that it's not getting too crazy. But today, I would say that it's more on the clean side. All right, so let's see what's inside my bag. The first thing I have is my phone because who doesn't leave the house without their phone? I have this really cute case. It's marble and it has like these pastel colors on it. And I love it because it's purple and purple's my favorite color. One of the worst things is not being prepared when you have your period or you don't know when you're gonna start your period, so I always make sure that I keep a tampon in my bag. And so this is U By Kotex Click Compact Tampon. And as you can see, like look how like teeny tiny this is. It's so small, it fits in anywhere, so I love it. Your period shouldn't be something that prevents you from doing things and like accomplishing your goals. So whether or not I have my period, I can do anything, and so can you. These are my favorite sunglasses. I just feel so futuristic when I put them on, and I feel like you can't see my eyes, and I just want to be hidden sometimes, so. Next, I have these wireless headphones, which everybody is like obsessed with, and I finally got them, and I'm obsessed too. Super easy, super small, and I take them everywhere. I can never leave the house without gum. And what's weird is I feel like gum actually helps me think better, I guess you could say. I don't know if it's the chewing or whatever it is, but it helps me concentrate, so I always like to keep gum with me. I'm super oily, so I always make sure that I keep this little compact with me just so I can blot my T-zone and make sure everything looks matte. This is my all-time favorite lip gloss. It's like a peachy color and it's really nice and creamy, and I always make sure that I keep lip gloss in my bag because my lips just get like super dry. Another lip product, because I'm like obsessed with having my lips moisturized. This one is a lip balm, but what's really cool is you can actually use this on your elbows or on your cuticles. So as you can see, it's like almost gone because I use it almost every day. And another lip product is my favorite nude lipstick. It goes with everything and it's just like a perfect everyday color, so I make sure that I keep it in my bag too. I think that this is really important, always to keep a pair of underwear. You never know when you need it, and it's just good to be safe than sorry. I also have my little wallet, which keeps all my cards in it. I try to use it, but like, you know, sometimes I just throw stuff in there, but this is what I like to put it in. So this is something that I always keep in my bag, and it's a picture of me and my cat, BB. And so this was from 2014, and I left him home back in Orlando before I moved to LA. I love him and I miss him, so I like to keep this all the time. And I also have a lot of change in here, so, you know, pretend like I'm just balling, but it's really all ones. Having long nails is nice, but it's a struggle. Because the nails are cute, but it's really hard to grab things, so I have to keep tweezers with me because I've had my card stuck in a meter before, and I've had to get help, so I'm not going through that again. And last but not least, I have my favorite perfume. This is a roll-on, so it's super easy. It smells just like roses, and I love it, so I have to keep it with me. Bye. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.